What's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking 700 joules of work was done on an ideal gas in a perfectly insulated container. How much heat energy was transferred? So the first question, so before we do the first question, let's analyze this one a little bit. So they are saying the work was done on an ideal gas. So whenever we have something work was done on something, the work is negative. So if the work is done by the ideal gas, then it's going to be positive. Also, if it's work done on an ideal gas, it's going to be compressed, right? Compressed. And what else we know from this one? This information: perfectly insulated container. This means the heat cannot enter or go out of the system. Therefore, the Q is equal to 0, right? So this is an adiabatic system. So adiabatic. So whenever the Q is equal to 0, that is adiabatic system, right? Adiabatic system. So the first question is asking how much heat energy was transferred. So we already found out Q is equal to 0. So there's nothing is going to be transferred, right? Since it's perfectly insulated container, nothing is going to be transferred. So let's look at the B part. B part is asking what is the change in internal energy of the system. So internal energy is given by this equation: delta G is equal to Q minus W. Since we know that Q is 0, so Q is 0 already, and minus W. And work is negative, and already they have given the value of the work, that is 700. So this is negative 700. So here what's going to happen is if we put negative 700, this is going to be positive 700, right? So positive 700 joules. So this is going to be the change in internal energy of the system. So the C part is asking, will the temperature increase or decrease during this process? So to find the relationship between temperature and these things, we have an equation that delta U is equal to NCV delta T, right? So from this one you can see that delta U is directly proportional to delta T. So if the delta U is positive, it means delta U is increasing, right? If the delta U increase, delta T also will increase. Therefore delta T is also positive. Therefore the temperature is increasing. So temperature increases. So that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.